Hello everyone. This PPT is about Walt Whitman's life and works. So, life and career. Walt Whitman was born in 1819 in West Hills, New York. He was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. He was second of nine children of his parents, Walter Whitman and Louisa Van Welser. He was self taught. He attended school at Brooklyn. He started working at the age of 11 as an office boy for a law office. He later became an apprentice to a printer. Career. He also taught at school in rural Long Island. He became an editor of the Brooklyn Eagle, a newspaper, but he was fired from his job because of his views against slavery. He founded the weekly newspaper Long Islander. He continued to write articles for magazines and newspapers until he developed his interest in poetry. He also worked as a Civil War nurse when his brother got enlisted in army. He faced a lot of criticism by going against social conventions by openly asserting his homosexuality. He was known as a humanist and witnessed the transition between transcendentalism and realism and incorporated such themes in his poetry. He published some of his early poems, being anonymous, in the New York Mirror. He died in 1982 in New Jersey, United States. He was 72 years old when he died. Style. Walt Whitman is known as the father of free verse. He draws vocabulary from everyday speech in his poems. He uses long lines and does not follow standard patterns of rhythm or rhyme in his poems in order to capture the rhythms of natural speech. He rejected conventional style of writing poems. He was interested in creating poetry in his own native language and used many idioms and slang borrowed from all spheres of life. He was more interested in reality rather than preaching morality. Leaves of Grass. Walt Whitman self published his collection of poems, Leaves of Grass, in 1855 when he was 36 years old. He continued to revise and edit this collection until his death. He was criticized for his offensive sexual themes in this collection and he was also fired from his job at the Department of the Interior. Poet John Greenleaf Whittier was said to have thrown this edition into the fire. Critic Rufus Wilmot Griswold called this collection of poetry as a mass of stupid filth. Emerson appreciated Whitman's poetry as the most extraordinary piece of wit and wisdom that America has yet to contribute. One of the critics dismissed his poetry as just a barbaric yap. In this collection, Whitman celebrates his own self and his individuality. He also celebrates the ideals of democracy, freedom, and revolution. Civil War and Whitman. During the Civil War, Whitman got the news that his brother George got hurt while fighting in the war in Virginia. He then went to Virginia in search of his brother. Whitman was deeply moved after seeing the plight of the soldiers in the war and he recorded his experiences of the war in drum taps in 1865. After this experience, Whitman became more interested in the themes related to soul, death, and immortality. Influence. Whitman influenced the works of Langston Hughes and Allen Ginsberg, Pablo Neruda, and French symbolists, modern poets like Ezra Pound, W. H. Auden, and T. S. Eliot. Important works. Franklin Evans, that is a novel. The Half Breed, a fictional story. Life and Adventures of Jack Angle, a mystery novel published anonymously. Leaves of Grass poetry collection, Drum Taps poetry collection, Democratic Vistas, a book on politics. So these are the important quotes. I am as bad as the worst, but thank God I am as good as the best. Re examine all that you have been told, dismiss that which insults your soul. Let your soul stand cool and composed before a million universes. Do I contradict myself? Very well, then I contradict myself. I am large, I contain multitudes. And here this PPT ends.